What is state in React? The state is a built-in React object that is used to contain data or information about the component. A component state can change over time. Whenever it changes, the component re-renders. For example, let's take a counter component. Whenever a user takes an action, or during a system-generated event, the state of the count changes. So let's see what happens when I click on the Add Count button. As you can see, the component re-renders, and the count is being updated as 1. And if I click it again, the count is updated as 2. And the process repeats based on user action. All right, let's see this in action. Let's import useState from React. useState. Let's initialize the default value with 0. Const opening and closing square brackets and add a equal to useState. Now let's add a variable count and set count inside square brackets. Let's add a paragraph tag and let's put count state variable inside the p tag. Now let's add a button element and let's call it add count. We will add onClick listener to the button, and inside onClick, we will call setCount to count +1 using the arrow function. Let's copy and paste the add count button and change the count +1 to count -1 and add count to -count. Now as you can see, the count keeps changing based on button user clicked add count or -count. To prove that we can do anything with a setCount function, I will add 20 to the setCount, and let's see what happens. As you can see, add count always returns 20, and the -count button subtracts. If you find this tutorial useful, please subscribe to Frontend Pixel, like, comment and share for more interesting content like this. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!